Well, it appears that Lyft has been slowly cutting rates for drivers. So I take this personally as a former Lyft driver because, hey, I've been out there and I've worked those long hours, and it just makes me sad to see Lyft cutting rates for hard-working drivers, hard-working Americans. So before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible opportunity to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. You can see in the past 365 days, one of my channels, not this channel, but a different channel, has brought in over 130,000 bucks, some days making over $1,000 in a day. So if you want to learn how to set up your own faceless YouTube channel, check out the link below. You can sign up for a free 30-day free trial, and you can try it out, no obligation, no risk, and if you don't like it, you can leave. But I think it could change many of your guys' lives watching this, because I know you guys are hard workers, and I know you guys are smart, and if you just follow the instructions, set up your own faceless channel, you could start bringing in $10,000 a month in earnings. And it changed my life. This was how I was able to own this home, buy this house in SoCal, is by, I've been doing this for over 5 years now, so I'm finally teaching you guys. Click the link below. Let's sync up my computer and go over this pay for Lyft drivers, because this is crazy. So this is from Reddit, the Lyft drivers Reddit group. Somebody just posted this 18 days ago. David Parmit, he goes, "You must be kidding." This is what he shared. Look at this, guys. And this is in New York. This is one of the most expensive states in our country. This is a 100-mile trip, an over 2-hour drive for barely 77 bucks, and that person has to drive back as well. So that's really 200 miles that they're driving for around $77. There is no way that that driver is even breaking even on that trip, because 77 divided by 200, you're looking at 38 cents per mile. And even the IRS estimates that the, IRS standard deduction rate, mileage, I believe it's 67 cents per mile. So how is Lyft paying, nearly half of what the IRS states is a reasonable expense on your vehicle? So there's no profit left over. In fact, you're losing money on this. Someone said, yeah, nope, not enough, no way. Put a 1 in front of the 77, maybe, they said. 140 would be okay-ish returns. It's all highway driving. That's probably close to 30 net, maybe around 28, 20. That route, unfortunately, has almost no interstate for at least the first half of it. It actually goes through a national park. 35-mile-per-hour limits. And if Lyft is anything like Uber, you can't pick up a return leg because it's out of state. Whoa, you can't pick up a return leg because it's out of state? Are you serious? So if you go out of state, you can't even get a ride on the way back at all. There's no chance to even try to, and we all know, if you drive Lyft, we know there's no chance in heck you're gonna get a destination ride. Somebody happened to be going 100 miles back the opposite way. No chance in this world that you're gonna get a destination ride. Yeah, maybe you'll get 1 or 2 little rides here, but that's not paying for your way back at all. You gotta drive back. Absolutely ridiculous. Ridiculous. So anyways, that's the major update with Lyft earnings. Again, if you are looking for a new way to make money, check out the Faceless YouTube channel program. It's how I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now. I know it doesn't look like it, but I remodeled this house as well. It was a fixer-upper house that I got. But even a fixer-upper home in SoCal was over $1 million. And for me, it changed my life doing faceless YouTube channels. This is just one of my pages. I brought in over $230,000. I have several pages. So check out the link below, join it, and you don't need any experience, you don't need a following. And when you do start it, guys, make sure to click the free trial so that it says trial today 000. That way you can try it out for 30 days, no risk, no obligation. But I hope you'll stay because I know you guys are gonna like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. God bless. We'll talk soon.